Hi guys, we're back. It's your favorite YouTubers.
Also, Richie and Vanessa.
Yeah. Okay, let me explain.
It's not a competition.
No.
We're all good YouTubers, except for some of them.
We're doing something fun today. Our sweet, sweet, sweet friends, Richie and Vanessa Travel. And we will link their channel down below, by the way.
Yeah, they live in California.
Mm-hmm.
We live in Florida.
Mm-hmm. Sadly.
We thought it'd be fun to send them a package of things to do around our area, and for them to send us a package.
Yes, from California.
Yep.
Yeah, I said, hey, what if we packaged up some Florida goodies for you? Because we love our small businesses around here, our little shops. There's so many, and I just thought it'd be a great way to support the local economy, support local businesses, and also like have some fun with my friend that lives super far away.
Yeah,
so,
their channel is Richie and Vanessa Travel.
Yes, we will link it below. They're amazing, and I have to say, I've probably said this before, but I'll say it again. They were one of the first channels I found on YouTube when we started YouTube last fall. They were so sweet to us and just very down-to-earth, kind people. So I'm excited about this. I have no idea what's in here. I feel a little put to shame because this box is way bigger than what we sent them, and I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't realize, but now I've got a little bit of a size complex.
So,
all right, let's open it.
Let's open it up. Let's tip it.
Tip it. Yeah, I don't want to show y'all our address.
The addresses are on this side.
Yeah.
So we're going to open this side.
She said, we were texting about this, and she said she made a little note for, like, what goes with what. And it's funny because I did the same thing. So, no idea what we're going to find in here. Feels a little like Christmas.
Sweet.
Oh. All right. So I wonder. I'm thinking first off. I need to look for the envelope. That's what I was saying.
I don't feel as bad because there's a lot of these.
Yes. To our friend. I gotta say though, it cost y'all so much money to ship this. It was like $17 to ship this. Again, I feel put to shame because it cost us like $5. But maybe I did it wrong. It says, to our friends, build an adventure. And Vanessa, I'm assuming this is your handwriting. Girl, you have beautiful handwriting. Unless it's Richie's. It could be Richie's. I don't want to assume. But I kind of...
You just said you assume.
Okay. Oh, wow. Wow, girl. Wow. Thank you so much for thinking of us for this collab. We've included 3 things that scream California. Ooh, scream California. Not just whisper it, scream it. Hope you guys enjoy them. Item number 1 is an In-N-Out t-shirt. Oh,
we've only been to In-N-Out one time.
Oh, you guys.
We went to In-N-Out when we were in
Vegas. You guys, we will share this because what you may not know about us is we share clothes all the time. We're about the same size, so, right?
What she means is she wears my clothes all the time.
Well, and then,
It's
you wear them again, and so it's sharing. This is so cute. Look at the cars on the back.
Love it.
Oh, fun. Okay. Doesn't matter which location you go to. This California, I almost said, burger joint always has a line wrapped around the block. Yes, it does. Richie loves it. I have an unpopular opinion. It is average. Oh, that's so cute. We're big on unpopular opinions around here. That's adorable.
I kind of felt the same way.
Yeah. To be fair, it felt like we were supposed to like it more than we did. And I think I only got the fries anyway because I don't eat meat. So the fries were good though. They were. Item number 2 is a beach sign. California wouldn't be California without its coastline. The beach has been my happy place since I can remember. It always has been where I go to wash away the worries. And I'm lucky that Richie, too, loves the ocean. Some of our favorite memories include beaches across our countries, including seeing bioluminescent waves at the beach just down the street. Oh, that's really cool. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. That's cute, guys. It says the beach is my happy place. It's so funny.
I wonder if we can hang that.
I was thinking we should hang this in the camper because then when we're traveling, we can remember our California besties. All right, number 3, crystal candle. What is the biggest stereotype about Californians? They're a bunch of new age hippies. Ah, that's so funny. And it's sort of true, LOL. I love it. Although we do have other types around here as well. The candle embodies every single aspect of us new age hippies. Y'all are so cute. The artists even included the word in their business name. It's made by local artists. It's vegan. Oh, it has crystals all over, and when done burning can be used as a tea light holder, so there's no waste. Oh. And of course it was bought at our local organic farmers market. I chose one that just said Ange to me, and it turns out that was the only one with crystals that help with mental health. That's so sweet. Isn't that crazy? It was meant to be your candle. Because I've told her that I'm very passionate about speaking about mental health and like destigmatizing it. So we've had lots of conversations about that, and it's so sweet. If I sound like I'm talking really fast, it's because our camera shuts off at 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So we're really trying to beat the clock. That's so sweet, though. I know how important mental health is to you. I hope you enjoy it and that it brings you guys peace and tranquility. There's a paper included that tells you what each crystal is for and some affirmations for each. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks again. We had a ton of fun with this. Vanessa and Richie. P.S. So thankful our paths crossed. That's so sweet. You guys, I'm going to have to save that letter. That's so sweet. So sweet. And I love candles, and I go through them so quickly. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. You know who else is going to love this? James. James. He loves rocks. He loves crystals. He loves all of it. It's precious. Oh. Thanks, guys. This was so fun. We will read this after the camera's off because it's about to shut off. I don't know why it does this. Anyway, Richie and Vanessa, thank you so much. Everyone else, go check out their channel. They are so close. Last I checked, they were like almost at 800 subscribers, and we're really trying to get them monetized. To be fair, we're trying to get us monetized too, so subscribe to us as well. But
if you're subscribed to us, or if you're just seeing this video and you're not subscribed to them, check them out.
Yes, we will link them in the description box below. That's where we have all the good info. So make sure you check out our box below. And we're gonna leave you here.
Alright, y'all. This was a fun little game.
So fun.
But we will see you next time.
We're getting there.